Okay, moving further, commutative property. Oh, wow. Okay, you are studying mathematics with a subject base language as English. And this is again one more thing which I have seen in a lot of kids, that the moment they are studying mathematics, they will take the specs of mathematics and put the specs of mathematics. No need. It's English. Because if you were studying in Japan, and if Japanese was your base language, the word closure would not have been there. It would be something else, ching pong pung. Or in China, it may be ping pong pung. Oh, whatever it is, it's a word. It's a base language is English. So that's very important. If I can help you in decoding your mathematics with the baseline as English, mark my word, I guarantee that you will get more than 20%, whatever you are getting. The second part comes up is commutative. Commute. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Example, let's take 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2. When I do this cross multiplication. And what do I get? So the commutative property for addition is true. Now let me try for subtraction. A minus B is equal to B minus A. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. Again the same thing, 6, 3 minus 2. Again the same thing, 6, 2 minus 3. There I get 1 upon 6 and over here I get minus 1 upon 6. Are they equal? No. That means commutative property for subtraction fails. It is not true. Are you getting the whole idea? I'm going to take a bit more time on this particular part, because if you know this properties, this closure, commutative, associative, distributive, identity, inverse, all these are going to be there till you're going to study mathematics. For sure till 12th. And most of the students find this properties understanding difficulty, nothing else. And when I talk about commutative, I'm talking of commuting from one place to other place. Now let me talk of associative. Associative property is and do you remember something called as this? Is equal to A plus B plus C. When you were studying in grade 5, 6, you have studied something called as mod mass. If there are 2 or 3 or 4 number, whatever number it can be a whole number, it can be a natural number, it can be integer, it can be a rational number, whatever it is, you have to follow the BODMAS rule. And this BODMAS rule, what are you going to do? You're going to solve the first bracket and then the second step. And this is what you're going to study. Going next, distributive property. Okay, distributive property has got a very unique thing. In mathematics, we have got addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If I use two operator, I'm talking about distributing. That means A multiplied by B plus C is written as AB plus AC. If they are equal, then and then only it holds distributive property is true. Let's take an example. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3. The reason of taking small number is to clear the concept, kids. Okay, 2 upon 3. All right. Now that will make it 1 upon 2 into 3 upon 3. And that is nothing else but 1 upon 3 into 2 upon 3. And that is nothing else but 3 upon 6. And whenever I get a rational number, I need to get it in the smallest form. So this will be 1 upon 2. So my LHS is 1 upon 2. Now let me look at for the RHS. 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 3. What do I get? 1 into 1 upon 2 into 3. There are some steps which you can skip, but skip only if you are 100% sure. 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6. And that is nothing else 1 plus 2, and that is nothing else 3 upon 6, which is equal to 1 upon 2. So my RHS is 1 upon 2. My LHS is 1 upon 2. That means, what does that mean? That distributive property is true. And the same thing what you can do is, you can probably write this with minus also. So when you do this, this will also become minus. And you can check.